Go. Okay, hi guys. So today actually we're going to look at what should be done if your 4x4 post is cracking. Okay, so as you can see here, we installed this 4x4 post and there's a crack which is developing right here. So now the interesting part is what's going to happen here is if we don't control this is really going to open up, and then it's going to lose its strength, and I really don't want that. So what we got to do in this case is I actually got galvanized 4x4 post from the local hardware store, and what we're going to do here is something very simple. We are going to put it right on top of the crack, right, and we're going to put the screws in here. So this is actually used for the post, to install the post, but we're going to use the same thing. This is very nice material and it's pretty thick, so it will hold the crack in place. We're going to screw it from all the sides, so that way this crack will not develop any further and it will hold the piece together properly. Okay, so here we are finishing up the final screw in here, as you can see. Perfect. So now we have installed all the screws. There's 2 here, 4 there, and then there is like 2 on the other side. So this is actually going to now hold our 4x4 post nice and tight, and it will not allow this crack to open any further. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like it and please subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye.